Banana bread is cute, but today we're leveling up. We're making a banana bundt cake with cream cheese glaze, moist, rich, and fancy enough to show off at Sunday dinner. And the best part, it's ridiculously easy to make. First things first, grab 4 extra ripe bananas. The spottier the better, that's where the flavor hides. Mash them up until they're smooth and sweet. Now, in one bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and if you're feeling cozy, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. That's your dry crew. In another bowl, cream together ½ cup of softened butter and ½ cup of neutral oil with 1½ cups of sugar until it's fluffy. Crack in 3 eggs, one at a time, then stir in a teaspoon of vanilla and those mashed bananas. Time to bring it all together. Mix the dry ingredients into the wet, alternating with ½ cup of sour cream. Don't overdo it, just mix until combined. Fold in 1 cup of plump raisins. Pro tip: soak them in rum or warm water for 10 minutes first so they stay juicy in the cake. Pour this luscious batter into a well-greased bundt pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes until your kitchen smells like heaven and a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool for 10 minutes, then flip it onto a rack and let it chill completely before we glaze. For the cream cheese glaze, beat together 4 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter until silky. Add a teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, then mix in 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Thin it out with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until it's pourable but still thick enough to cling. Drizzle it generously over your cooled cake and watch those ribbons of glaze slide down the ridges. Sprinkle a few extra raisins or a dusting of cinnamon on top. Pure magic. Mini soul snack. Life's like baking, you can't rush the rise. Good things need time, heat, and a little bit of patience to show their best. Slice into that banana bundt cake and you'll see it's moist, sweet, and way more impressive than banana bread. For the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who has bananas on their counter begging to be used.